Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how can I make this kitchen from a scratch. So you can see here how can I make this kitchen visualization from a image. You can see here these were my reference images. You can see here this is the actual image I have the made. You can see here this is the reference image. You can see here I have taken it from 3D sky, and this is the reference image, and you can see here this is the same image I have made. You can see this is not actually a tutorial, so how can I make? I have already described in my channel. So if you go to my channel, so this is my Shibu YouTube channel. So you can see here I have already describe how you can make this one. So I have already made. I want to show you how can I perform this job from. Really this is a very challenging work, but not a challenging work for me, because I have already habituated to make any kind of interior architecture, exterior architecture from a reference image. This was my reference image, and for this was, you can see here you can see the table. So I want to show you. You can see here this table, this height. I know what is the height of this table and what is the this is the room, this is the kitchen room. I have already made this from floor plan. This is not for I done this with a measurement of the floor plan, the measurement taken from a floor plan. This is a very measurement and modern kitchen floor plan, and you can see here this is the modern modular kitchen. This is a water knob. This stuff I have made this actually perfectly what I have seen in here. You can see here. So this is you can see here this image. This is empty. 1 2 3 4. This is the box, cabinet box. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and this is a long cabinet box, and this is a handle. This is not actually cabinet box. Yes, this is a cabinet box with glass, with a glass door, but I have made this one with a so after rendering, you can see here this is a visualization I have already made. This is a chair. You can see here this is the induction cooktop, and upper is the chimney, and here this is the stove or micro oven. You can see here the stove, micro oven, and under render is I have done this render with a cycles PBR render, not in real-time render. You can see here the real-time render, and this texture I have this is my first texture. This is quite a looks great, but this is a traditional and this non-traditional. This different type of wood I have added here. So you can see here, this looks good, but this looks good in traditional way, but it is a this is a unique and vintage style you can see here. So this is my render for cycle. Cycle is a one type of PBR based, just like Octane, or you can say the V-Ray type PBR rendering. So if I show you the Warframe was very good quality. This is a light. I have added the light. You can see here, I have added the light. And if I disable the room, you can see here, this is a chair I have made. This is not a low poly, and this one you can see the edges, the bevel edges. I made everything in bevel edges. This is a cooktop. You can see here, this is a cooktop. The Warframe mode, I'm showing you the Warframe mode. If I turn into X-ray mode, so you can see here inside there is a self. There is a self right here, and some part are the instance. What is inside? This is the X-ray mode with Warframe mode. And this part, the red part is aids make frame as this one. This is not mark sharp. Mark seam. This is the red color is mark seam. Integrated mark seam to make it UV. So if you want to see my UV, so you can see here the UV. And this is an oven. You can see the oven. Inside this oven has a fan. This oven has a fan, and I have added the few digit here. If I hide this one, you can see here this part. So come back into the unhide everything. So if I create this one, so this is a portal light outside from window, and this is my window, and this is a area light, and this is roof. You can see here, this is a hide edge. I want to hide it, and this one I want to hide it. So it start. And I use the cycles engine and CPU Compute Cycle engine. And if you want to show the shader mode for wall setting, I use the KS Cloud. KS Cloud's add-on freely. You can download it from the website, download from internet. So if you KS Cloud add-on, So you can see here the Cage Cloud Kingdom. So this add-on available in the internet. So just type the KH Clouds. KH Clouds Blender. So this is not easily available, but I have. If you want the KH Cloud, it is really. So if you see this type of cloud, KH Cloud, KH Cloud, I don't know, so it is not easily available. So you can, if you want to get this add-on, so you can easily so you can write a comment, so I can share you this link how to you can get, or you can join our Telegram channel, or go to the my YouTube description. You can find the free assets download link from Telegram. If you have an account from Telegram, you can easily access this KH Cloud. KH Cloud very good qualities for KH Cloud. This add-on is I like very much for if your system is very low system, very low configuration, so you can use the KH Cloud instead of Pure Sky or HDR Sky, because I didn't use the HDR texture here. So if I unhide this one, if I render this one, so you can see here the KH Cloud are really good. So the disk you can see the disk with the cycle engine, but if you use the EV, you can the system doesn't show you the SanDisk. Only SanDisk can visible if you use the cycle engine. You can see here. So no need to add extra sun to visualize. This KH Cloud has a sun. You can see here. So you can set this intensity, or set the sun and the sharpness. So you can see here that it's really good. You can believe my all exterior rendering are made by the KH Cloud instead of Pure Sky or HDR texture. HDR texture takes a very long. It looks it's visualized just like a fake, but the KH Cloud looks a real, not a fake, just not like a fake. So you can see here. So if I kitchen 1, so if I show you the another this one, kitchen 2, so you can see here this is the same image. I have made this furniture design from a image, a scratch modeling from a sketch, or you can see the modeling from starting to this is all furniture, genuine, not duplicate, not to take another artist model. So I have make everything because I know how to make this one. To do this for measurement, I have taken a help from Sweet Home 3D. This is the main secret. So how can I perform this job? So you can see here. This is a real time. This is a real-time render, not cycle render, EV render. You can see here the EV render is a very cool render, and here I use the KH, and I have added extra sun to make a sound. So if you want to show, if you want to see this, so I want to show you this one. So for visualization, I use only this one. This is a really great visualization. I have taken two images for texturing. These two images. This is a woody and this is a marble finish. This takes this top and this kitchen top and this top made a marble texture, and rest of the part except this one, this looks good, but this is a fridge, this is refrigerator, and other part are the cabinet. So these are the marble texture. This looks good, this one. So you can see here this part. You can see here all part I have made. If you want to see the wireframe mode, all you can see bevel, edges are bevel. I have made this edge in bevel. This is a kitchen, modular kitchen, modern style modular kitchen. It is very modern style. This is the door. You can see here this style and this style is the same. You can see here. For visualization, I have taken the same 1 to 3 glass, and I have added the 2 glasses is here, and for here there are 1 window right here, and this part you can see it is not a I have taken it, but in this time I have no reference image from where I have made this one, but speak truly, I have made this model from image, this type of image, from this type of image, image. This video only for showing you how can I make this all visualization. So to close this one, to not save this one. So you can see here, so this is a living room. In the next video I'll show you how I can perform this living room. So you can see here how I can perform this living room from I have made all this visualization including furniture modeling, measurement from the scratch, and I help this image really very help me. And one software to make a measurement in the last of the video, this is the main secret. This software, Sweet Home 3D, this is a really helpful to how can I measure measurement this all structure, furniture structure. But at first I added a floor plan and added the plan from here. You can see here this is a floor plan. This suppose I how can I add the floor plan, modify compass, import background image. From here I can add the floor plan, and this is the wall. You can see here the thickness of this wall, create a room, modify compass, modify walls. This is a walls. This is a 10 inches height, 10 inches wall, height standard. This is 7 inches. Traditionally, the outside wall, the thickness of the outside wall is 5 to 5 inches to 7 inches, but I kept it the 7 inches, a bit thickness, but this is a bit thickness from outside, and it is an industrial standard maintain this thickness into 7 inches. So how we can add the furniture? So in the right panel, if I want to add this is a door. So if this is a door, you can see here, this is the door. You can see here, if I put here, this is the good measurement. This is the measurement. The wall height is 10 feet, 9 to 10 feet. So I kept in standard the first ground floor for 10 feet is standard, and the first floor and second floor 9 feet, 9.5 feet, from 9 feet and 8.5 feet. To add, so how can I add all furniture structure? So if I roll this text, so you can see here, you can easily maintain you can see the measurement, the height, everything is provided by this beautiful software. And I want to export its OBJ format. Everything I export it to OBJ format, and after exporting, I import it into Blender in OBJ format, and I made every furniture to the help of this from this Sweet Home furniture, only for measurement, height, and everything else. This is the main technique. So how can I perform this job from only for image? So if you give me an image, so I can easily do this job. So you can see here, this is my render image. So thanks for watching. So you can see here how can I perform this very critical job on only helping image see, imagine, guess, and this job done. Perfect. And everything is perfect, furniture is perfect, the measurement is perfect according to industrial and industrial measurements. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with the new tips. Bye bye.